Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a little heart embellishment. So let's get started. I'm working with cotton worsted yarn and a 4.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join and form a ring. Chain 2, 1, 2. Make 5 triple crochet in the ring. Yarn around the hook 2 times. Insert into the ring. Pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. So that's 1. I'm going to make 4 more. Yarn around the hook twice. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. And that's just 3, 4, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch in the top of the half double crochet, and so that's 1/2 of the heart. Now we're going to work down the other side. So another half double crochet, 1 double crochet, and then 5 triple. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 2, 1, 2, slip stitch in the ring, and fasten off. And I've gone ahead and I've made another one in exactly the same size. And I'm going to chain a holder. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slip stitch in the ring. Now I'm just going to place my blue heart over the white heart, and I'm going to insert my hook into the first stitch of that chain 2, and then I'm going to do the same thing over here. Place the loop back on the hook and pull it through. When I tucked the yarn ends on the inside like that, insert into the next stitch and on the white one and pull the yarn through. Insert into the next stitch on each of the hearts and pull the yarn through. Insert into the next stitch on the top one and on the bottom one, pull the yarn through. I'm going to do that all the way around, so I'll go right down to the point and then I'll show you what to do down here. Okay, I've reached the points, and so there are 3 stitches there, so find the first stitch and slip stitch. The second stitch, slip stitch. The third stitch, slip stitch. Into the next stitch and slip stitch. Now go all the way down. Okay, I've worked all the way down. And there's my chain 2, so find that first chain 2, slip stitch, find the next one, tuck that in, slip stitch, and take one last slip stitch and fasten off. pull the yarn end into the back and weave the yarn ends into the back of the work. There you have your finished heart, and then you can attach a key ring, and you could use that as a key ring or even a Christmas ornament. And there you go. That's how easy it is to crochet this cute heart embellishment. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.